How to dig in Sons of the Forest. So once you have the shovel in your inventory, so it should be around right here, equip it, then point your camera at the ground just like that. So you will see that outline right there. Then press left click on your mouse, and as you can see, it will automatically dig the ground just like that. So there are two types of digging. First is for excavation. So look for piles of loose dirt. So on your GPS map, these often appear as pulsing green circles. So digging on those secret spots reveals hidden bunkers like the maintenance hatches or graves containing items like the shotgun. But if you use it for terraforming or for building, you can dig almost anywhere in the forest to lower the ground level. This is useful for leveling out a foundation for your base or creating trenches. So as you can see, you can basically dig anywhere you want, just like that. So the shovel is not a starter item. It is a late game tool hidden deep inside a specific cave. So you cannot just walk in and grab it, you need two other tools first. So first is the rebreather, which is right here. This is used to swim through the underwater tunnels in the shovel cave. And also you will need the rope gun right here, which is used to cross the zipline gap also in the shovel cave. So make sure that you have both of these guns first before you go to the cave where you can find the shovel. So this is the grave that I was talking about. So you will see graves like this around the map. So you can try to shovel it. So as you can see, there's like a shovel icon right there, where if you dig it, you will see a casket right here, which may contain different types of stuff or items. So there's another one right here. So let's also try to dig this one out also. So just like that, this one contains some canned food and some wires. And that is how I basically dig in Sons of the Forest.